Crispy, juicy, golden perfection. Today I am showing you the only schnitzel recipe you will ever need.
Forget soggy breading, forget dry meat. This is how you make schnitzel that will blow your mind.
By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get that signature crunch on the outside and keep it tender on the inside. Let's get cooking. Season with just a little salt and pepper. Then we set up the classic dredging station: flour, beaten eggs, and fine breadcrumbs.
Heat neutral oil, like canola or sunflower, to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Hot oil is the secret to crispy, not greasy schnitzel.
Fry each side for just 2-3 minutes until golden and crispy. Don't overcrowd the pan. Give each schnitzel room to dance.
And here it is, crispy, golden schnitzel perfection. Hear that?
If you want to impress family, friends, or honestly just yourself, this is the schnitzel recipe to make, the only one you will ever need. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and hit subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy cooking.